So today we're going to be talking about a new product that I just bought. They've been around for a while. It's this Milescraft Drill Mate. Now, there are a number of different forms of these devices out on the market, and there's a bunch of different brands and whatever. Milescraft is like one of the better affordable brands that I found out there. They did not pay me to talk about this. I bought this on my own. I've been looking at this thing for years now. Just never really had enough of a need to buy it in the past. Could always make do with something else, and honestly I probably could still make do with something else if I really wanted to. Thing is though, I'm building some pretty high-end end tables. These two are going to mate together with a mechanical device. They're not perfectly flat because I sculpted them and I wanted them to be flat enough to be usable to use as a bench or as an end table and hold your drinks without falling off and that kind of stuff. But I didn't want them to be like hard edge, super flat, so I didn't flatten them with a router or anything. I hand flatten these with a plane and with a rotary tool on the what's it called, angle grinder. And because I need to have a hole inserted in these, then I need something that can give me a relatively flat surface. And not only that, but the Milescraft also has an angle adjustment, so you can kind of adjust the angle slightly so that you can hopefully compensate for whatever angle this has that is not flat. Now, that all being said, I've never used this device, so I did buy it through Amazon, which is a common place to buy Milescraft stuff. I have one of their, what's it called, tracks for your table saws, your hand saw, a circular saw, and I have not reviewed it yet. I need to. So this works with any system because you just put the chuck of your drill on here. I'm holding it up so the spring doesn't fall off, and then you put your bit in the chuck here, and then you can use the device. Comes with this base here, as you can see. Oh, there went the spring. And so I've got some stuff to put together, but it doesn't look that complex. I saw somebody put it together online, and so I will be getting to that here in a near video where we actually put this together and then use it. So hang out for that. And yeah, I'm super excited to use this thing. I want to say it was like 40 bucks or 30 bucks, which is pretty affordable for something. When you get done, it's going to have a handle on the side. It's going to have a stop gauge so you don't you don't go too far in. You can do different angles at the base, and you can do different angles on the the vertical section. So you can get different degrees of angle and center things, because that base is designed so it clips onto like a 2x4, and you can twist it until it locks in and you get a perfect center. So they have some very unique and interesting design features on this, which is why I bought it. And I'm looking forward to using it, and we will be drilling the mating holes for this end table with it here in a very near future video.